Johnson&Johnson is headquartered in New Jersey, was founded in 1886 by the three Johnson brothers. Johnson&Johnson is conducted by more than 275 operating companies located in 60 countries with 128,000 employees worldwide, including the United States, which sells products in virtually all countries throughout the world. Johnson&Johnson is ranked in Forbes Global 2000 and Fortune 500. The company's primary focus has been on products related to human health and well-being. The company is organized into three business segments: consumer, pharmaceutical, and medical devices and diagnostics. The company's subsidiaries operate 146 manufacturing facilities, occupying approximately 21.6 million square feet of the floor space. In 2013, these three segments contributed to the company's total revenue of $71 billion at 39% of pharmaceutical products, 40% of medical devices products, and 21% of consumer products. With more than 120 years of conducting businesses, Johnson&Johnson have been expanding to different countries in the world, making it a global business. In the following timeline, we can see that how Johnson&Johnson was born as an international business player. In 1924, Johnson opens their first overseas operating company in United Kingdom. In 1937, Johnson&Johnson expanded to Argentina and Brazil, opening the Auto Research Laboratories to make women products. In 1957, Johnson&Johnson opened an operating factory in India. In 1959, Johnson&Johnson acquired McNeil Laboratories in US and Select Chemi in Europe. In late 1970s to late 1980s, Johnson&Johnson opened its first operating company in Egypt and China. While in 2006, Johnson&Johnson acquires Pfizer consumer healthcare product line. Along with its years of successful business operation, Johnson&Johnson had come up with 70 acquisitions as its growth strategies to become a world market leader. Like other innovation-filled industries, Johnson&Johnson had aspired to pursue those companies who have already developed successful products. With this strategy, Johnson&Johnson rather pay a premium price for such deals than trying to surpass them using internal growth. For instance, the acquisition of Pfizer Consumer Products division had helped Johnson&Johnson grow a new number of revenues. According to an interview with Jess Wu, Johnson&Johnson's worldwide chairman of Johnson&Johnson Group of Companies, one of their successful moves was that Johnson&Johnson practices decentralized empowerment culture in their company, where the acquired companies at first was managed by the local team and then slowly integrate particular people to the company. He mentioned that it is important to empower the local team or region so that they does not have to receive all the instruction from the center. Johnson&Johnson easily fit their products in other countries because its products are common daily products, which is suitable to use by anyone. Every home around the world will have owns Johnson&Johnson's product ranging from face cleanser, body shampoo, women's sanitary products, oral care products, over-the-counter medicines like Tylenol, Zyrtec, Motrin, and ibuprofen products. These consumer products were distributed all over the world and easily sold in any retail store found. Johnson&Johnson also concentrates in pharmaceutical medicines for various illnesses, are distributed directly to retailers, wholesalers, and healthcare professionals for prescription use. While in the medical devices and diagnostic segments, it includes a broad range of products used principally in the professional fields by physicians, nurses, hospitals, and clinics. These include products to treat cardiovascular disease, orthopedic and neurological products, blood glucose monitor, general surgery, biosurgical, energy products, infection prevention products, and disposable contact lenses. The increasing size of the Johnson&Johnson through many acquisitions had made itself to face problems as it is too large to be focused on and controlled, because when the new Pfizer Consumer Division acquisition brought in, Johnson&Johnson had moved away its already successful McNeil Consumer Products unit from the more closely related pharmaceutical division of the company toward the more market-oriented consumer product unit it acquired from Pfizer. When a business grows internationally, quality of products are vital for the firm to maintain its reputation. Johnson & Johnson had been multiple times recalled a few of its products due to manufacturing problems and government inquiries. Hundreds of millions of packets of Motrin, Tylenol, and Benadryl had been recalled due to defects or bad labeling. This had caused the sales in consumer products business suffered. Thus, as a global market player, more challenges and complex planning are needed to be done to maintain. Johnson & Johnson are truly born as an internationalist. However, more efforts are needed to compete with its other large competitors like Pfizer, Merck & Co., and Abbott Laboratories.